How to disable member invites using link for your team's community. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can disable member invites using links for your community. So in order to start, the only thing you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply click onto this communities tab over the left hand side. Now, once you have successfully clicked onto this communities tab, it will show you the list of all of the active communities that you are a part of. So from here, you can choose any of the community. So for example, let's say I'm gonna go with this YouTube community that I'm choosing. So now in order to disable invites for this particular community, what you can do is once you click onto this, can see this settings icon here. So you can simply click onto this manage community or settings icon here, or apart from that you can click onto these three dots, and from here you can click on manage community. It's the same thing. Now under here you will see a new set of tabs right here at the top. So choose the settings option from here, and within the setting option you will see this option that says allow members to share a link to this community. Members can invite others to the community via a share link. So to disable this, simply tap onto this toggle and disable this particular setting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.